Hi, good evening. I'm Abhilash and I hope that my screen is visible and it's smooth. So, this is the session for specifically aspirants who are going to give the mains exam this year. अभी 2025 में जो मेंस देंगे तो मैं आपको ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि इन द essay paper you are most of you are aware that this is the only paper where you are able to write your mind. I will not talk much around story around it because the persons or the candidates who are going to write this year's exam, they have a very less amount of time, hardly 10 weeks along with them to practice and excel. I also want to urge aspirants who have been appearing prelims mains multiple times and have seen their scores of essay not improving. They find it very difficult to get that edge. Now my sessions are essentially enrichment sessions. Who can benefit more are the aspirants who are unable to go to the league of 130 plus. And for the first timers, till the time you don't give the exam, you can be ready for every aspect of the exam. The mains is all about writing, expressing your own thoughts the best way, in a most organized manner. There can be debates, there can be, various line of thinking which you feel right, but it does not kind of appeal to the examiner. So this is not a confession writing letter where you write an essay where you put your thoughts just like in confession. Understand that you are going to be a public servant. So your writing skill should also appeal to the public for whom you are writing. So here in this case, we are writing this exam or this essay paper for the examiner to give you a score so that your name appears in the list, and if it has been appearing in the list, then comes at a higher rank. We can get the best score out of it. A score of 140 plus is possible. People have done it in the past, and something which does not require you to write only, but think properly and then assimilate your ideas and start. In today's demo session, my intention here is to take you through the importance of firstly essay. You know that how important is essay when it comes to final element of scoring paper. Essay is a 250 marks and total 3 hours of duration. It has been this pattern in UPSC for long that section A and section B. There are two essays which are being asked, and the selection of essay each is of 125 marks. And the topics come from diversity. You cannot just categorize it to one thing. Yes, it can be contemporary, philosophical, abstract, and factual themes. And mostly, as per UPSC, the evaluation criteria is, your coherence, critical thinking, the balanced perspective. As I mentioned you that you're writing for the examiner. Why should he or she read your entire essay? The first, I'm sure you must be aware that the structure of essay that we have been taught from school is introduction, body, and conclusion. So in the game of essay, if at introduction level you are not able to appeal the examiner's eyes, he or she is not going to read your essay full. So that means you are not going to get a score, even if you have written the best of the examples and things you feel that you have written best. So you will realize many toppers, many aspirants who have given mains, they see that essay में यार मुझे 20 mark मिला, 13 mark मिला, 16 mark मिला, and all this out of 250. How is this possible? This is possible when you are not able to grab attention with your first introductory lines. So, today's session, while I speak about it being a demo session, it is not that one session itself is going to work out in favor. You might attend multiple sessions, but the true game happens when you start writing your essay, getting it evaluated, understanding that what is my thinking process, and as an evaluator what he or she is understanding. For example, if I am allowed to speak in Hindi, आपने क्या किया, एक ऐसे की टॉपिक पकड़ी और आपने जो समझा आपने लिख दिया उस पे। आपने सोचा कि सामने वाला ऐसा समझेगा उसको, पर जो सामने वाला है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल द एग्जामिनर, वो उसको किसी और तरीके से समझने लगता है। एंड दैट क्रिएट्स द फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट स्किलिंग, द स्किल टू राइट essay. Whatever you are expressing, can the person who is reading the essay understand the same way? If you have that kind of ability, your essays will be really good, very, very expressive. But if you think that you will write something rubbish and the examiner will take the effort to read the entire essay, go through each paper, and that is where the more effort you give to the examiner, the less mark he or she gives to the aspirant. Now this essay foundation comes from nowhere other than your entire GS foundation. ऐसा नहीं है कि it comes from some other where. आपको आप ही के backgrounds जो आपने पढ़ा है entire UPSC preparation में, to become a civil servant of India, knowing about India, the history, culture, polity, governance, geography, environment, economy, development, यही सभी है जो ऐसे में आपका जरूरी कंटेंट बनता है. एंड यस, डेवलपिंग एसेंशियल स्किल में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है way of thinking, your critical analysis and expressive writing. None of them comes writing 4 और 5 essay लिखने से ये नहीं आता है. कम से कम आपको 10 essays लिखना है before you go to mains. If you want to score 130 plus, if you want to score anything around 90, 6 to 7 essays will work out. And getting it evaluated and improving. ऐसा नहीं कि खाली आप लिख रहे हो और evaluator कुछ भी evaluate करके दे रहा, आप सीख नहीं रहे हो. So you have to see. Now, this is, I'm sure you're aware about the structure, the 250 marks of essay, and this is the first paper. The day, ऐसा अक्सर कहा जाता है, however is your opening of the paper, उसका essay का पेपर जैसा गया होगा पूरा एग्जाम उसी मूड में जाएगा. तो जब आप देखोगे, जब शेड्यूल आता है मेंस का, द फर्स्ट पेपर इज ऑफ essay. इट हैपेंस इन द फोरनून सेशन, सुबह 9 AM to 12 noon. सो इन केस आपका पहला पेपर अच्छा नहीं गया, पूरा एग्जाम के लास्ट पेपर तक आपके दिमाग में ये गिल्ट रहेगा, काश में लिख देता, काश में लिख देती, लाइक दैट. सो टू गेट द मोटिवेशन टू परफॉर्म इन द मेंस, द फर्स्ट पेपर हैज टू बी अ great paper. Hence, preparation for it needs a special effort. Now, as you are aware that in the essay paper, the instructions are given that you have to write 2 essays. Each essay of around 1000 to 1200 words will be of around 125 marks each. And if we say time wise, how we divide is because 3 hours is given to us. So it is 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour, 90 minutes. Talking this is very easy. I'm talking, writing is all fine. But what are you going to write in that 90 minutes is what is going to make the difference. तो वो तो आपको लिख के ही आएगा. एक एक्टिविटी है, मैं अभी नहीं बोलूंगा, मैं आज का एक्टिविटी डिफरेंट है, मैं बताना चाहता हूँ. वी वांट टू जंप डायरेक्टली टू सम एक्शन वेयर यू फील दैट यू हैव taken some action. These are the certain areas of essays, broad area which usually come. अब ये जो है ये कोई स्ट्रिक्ट पैटर्न है नहीं, तो आई वुडेंट से दैट यू हैव टू फॉलो दिस. बट यस, इन एवरी एरिया ऑफ दिस टॉपिक आपको थोड़ी सी कोट्स, थोड़ी सी इंसिडेंट, न्यूज, स्टोरीज, ये सारे आपको कुछ क्रिएट करके रखने हैं एज द काजू एंड किशमिश ऑफ योर एसे. सो कमिंग टू द सीक्रेट ऑफ ए गुड ऐसे, आप चाहे क्लास 10th में रहो या आपने कभी भी ऐसे लिखा हो, द सीक्रेट टू गेट गुड ऐसे इज सिंपल, दैट वॉट एवर यूर राइटिंग द रीडर इज एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड इट. Writer's capability to express how simply or whatever is the flow pattern is so good that the reader of any age or of any knowledge is able to appreciate or understand or learn from that particular essay. और ये बड़ा सिंपल है, देखो आपके साथ भी होता होगा. इफ यू स्टार्ट रीडिंग अ बुक, इफ द फर्स्ट 3 paragraphs do not excite you or give you curiosity, you do not even feel to turn the page. But if the writer has written the first 3 passage something very interesting, you feel like let me aaj cover it today. Let's just read everything tonight only. It happens with book. और even also कोई भी movies भी आप देखते हो, if the first 15-20 minutes do not catch your attention into the story, you don't feel like you are going to watch it. You get really distracted. So this is what is very important, and this is one of the key slogan which works as a secret. That, for example, you have been given 90 minutes to write an essay. That doesn't mean कि पहले ही मिनट से 90 मिनट तक essay लिखना शुरू कर दो. You have to spare some division of time, do some activity, and that we subsequently do. But the first important thing comes in essay is choosing the topic, choosing the topic to write the essay. This is the first decision making which happens in the paper during the exam time. आपको सेक्शन ए का पेपर पता है, सेक्शन बी का पेपर पता है, but you have to choose the topic. So today's activity is about choosing the topic. How am I going to choose the topic? So I have shared okay, for the people who have registered, I I'll be sharing a handout of this session जो आपको इसके साथ करना है. And for the people who are watching it right now with me, I'm just sharing the file on the chat. Please open up the PDF version itself and understand what I'm trying to say. This is the activity. इस एक्टिविटी का एक ही आउटकम है. वो है पहली बात, हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू फाइंड द टॉपिक जिस पे ऐसे लिखना है. डिसीजन कैसे लेंगे. तो इसका सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द कीवर्ड्स एंड कनेक्टर्स ऑफ द essay टॉपिक. व्हाट इज द डिमांड ऑफ द essay. व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज essay आस्किंग यू. भाई किस बारे में लिखना है, किस तरफ का डायरेक्शन है. All of you who is going to attempt this exam comes from various background. Various, कोई साइंस स्टूडेंट है, कोई आर्ट स्टूडेंट है, कोई कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट है, तो कोई एग्रीकल्चर से किया है. So you all have various background. So your understanding of the world is very, very different. It is going to be diverse. So your choices won't be same. Your choices will be depending on what you understand out of the topic. Abhi, I will be sharing the screen of my screen of the PDF handout. You open it from, अगर आप देख पाते तो एक बार देख लेते. कैन यू जस्ट पुट इन अ चैट वेदर आप मेरा स्क्रीन देख पा रहे हैं. ये हैंडआउट है. ये हैंडआउट का अभी आपको एक्टिविटी करना है. आप ये कोर्स ज्वाइन करो या ना करो, बट इफ यू डू दिस एक्टिविटी, आप खुद से भी अगर आप सेल्फ स्टडी कर रहे हो, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड द फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट चैलेंज कि यूपीएससी का एसए का डिमांड कैसे पकड़ने का. हाउ टू चूज, हाउ टू स्टार्ट ऑफ विथ अ टॉपिक. सो अभी एक क्वेश्चन का टॉपिक है फॉर रैंडमली, इफ आई एम सेइंग दैट इफ यू इफ यू सी दिस फ्रॉम 2017, एक क्वेश्चन है. एंड क्वेश्चन है, farming has lost the ability to be a source of subsistence for majority of farmers in India. ओके okay, ये टॉपिक है. ये टॉपिक आया है 2017 के हिस्से में था. अगर हम इसमें देखेंगे कि क्या क्या कीवर्ड्स है, व्हाट आर द कीवर्ड्स. कीवर्ड्स आर फार्मिंग. व्हाट व्हाट इज द कनेक्शन. Source of subsistence. Why farming is given reference? Because source of subsistence. Then impact क्या है to majority of farmers, and definitely as a part of the essay they have put India as a geographical limitation in the essay. So you give a India centric answer. Now what is the connector here? Connector over here is lost the ability. It is not saying gained, it is saying lost the ability. तो क्वेश्चन का सेंट्रल थीम क्या है? व्हाट इज द सेंट्रल थीम? इट इज ट्राइंग टू से दैट फार्मिंग इज नो मोर द सोर्स ऑफ सब्सिस्टेंस फॉर मेजॉरिटी ऑफ फार्मर. एम आई राइट? क्वेश्चन कहने की कोशिश कर रहा है कि सब्सिस्टेंस के लिए, गुजर बसर के लिए, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ फार्मर्स टुडे आर नॉट फोकसिंग ऑन फार्मिंग, or it has lost the ability, and it is a full stop. That means question mark नहीं है, tell me how नहीं पूछ रहा, ना exclamation mark है. Farming has lost seriously. How are you going to approach this? What kind of essay are you going to write for 1,000 words for 125 marks? तो ये आप कैसे करोगे इसको? क्योंकि आपने अभी इसमें क्या क्या देखा? कीवर्ड्स क्या है? फार्मिंग. दूसरा, सोर्स ऑफ सब्सिस्टेंस. कॉन्टेक्स्ट क्या है? टॉकिंग अबाउट द फार्मर्स ऑफ इंडिया, नॉट अदर एनी अदर प्रोफेशन, ओनली फार्मर्स. और लोकेशन क्या बोला है? इंडिया. अब आप यहाँ पे इसने क्या कनेक्टर वर्ड यूज किया है? लॉस्ट दी बात कि ये पूछ रहा है कि लॉस्ट किया क्या नहीं किया. आप दोनों एस्पेक्ट बता सकते हो. हैज इट एक्चुअली लॉस्ट और नॉट? Or if not, then why? If yes, then why? So you can create an essay out of it, and your thinking pattern or your, you know, the next pattern, जो how you start the essay, आप कैसे डिसीजन लोगे कि मैं इस टॉपिक पे लिखूंगा. द मोमेंट यू ब्रेक द टॉपिक्स एज पर द कीवर्ड्स एंड कनेक्टर्स, दिस इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल इन फिलोसॉफिकल टॉपिक बट अदरवाइज टॉपिक में, तो आपको पता चल जाएगा मेरे दिमाग में कितने आइडियाज आ सकते हैं, इस एरिया मेरे लिए कंफर्टेबल है कि नहीं. तो इमेजिन अगर आपको चार ऑप्शन दिए और एक चूज करना है ऐसे के लिए, यहाँ पे दो ऑप्शन है. सोशल मीडिया इज इनहेरेंटली a selfish medium. Maybe today's generation find writing about social media much more easier than writing about farming. So when you start choosing or dividing the word, okay, इसका कीवर्ड है सोशल मीडिया और इसमें सेल्फिश वाला एंगल बताना है, इंडिविजुअल वन टू वन टाइप का बताना है, एंड इज इनहेरेंटली दिस थिंग, मतलब उसकी पैदाइश ही इनहेरेंटली हुई है एज अ सेल्फिश मीडियम. It is not as a public distribution channel. So if these two topic, after these two topic, you have to choose which topic to write, what you are going to do. First is, the moment you see, you divide the topic. Second, you find what are the keywords, what are the connector, what is the context. Once you do that, now you will be able to, your brain will able to say, हाँ इस पे मुझे कुछ पता है, मैं लिख पाऊंगा, लिख पाऊंगी. Then you go for that topic, and then you start the next stage of activity, which is called brainstorming. While we do the next sessions, we will learn all the aspect. अभी भी आपको वैसे ही करना है. बट बिफोर दैट मेरा ये रिक्वेस्ट रहेगा, एज पर टूडेज एक्टिविटी, माई डिमांड और इज टू फॉर यू इसकी पहली बात तो आपको ये जो हैंड आउट मैंने अभी चैट में दिया है, you can see the handout. I will share also in the, for all the registered candidate, you will get it in the email. You will get it in the WhatsApp. And for the candidates who are watching on YouTube, you will get it. You will get it. You will get it in the. You will get it in the description of YouTube. So I hope you can see today's handout. For me, the essay, I always consider essay as exposition, simply synonymous as yourself. आप जैसे हो, the way you are, that's what we are going to express. So your essay gives the first impression for any examiner to understand whether you are fit for a civil servant or not. So hence, your maturity of thinking, your way of writing impacts the entire examiner's mindset and exam altogether. So let us do this. I hope you have in your hand also the paper, the handout. तो आप देखो यहाँ पे 2024 का पेपर है. So in there is section A and section B. So forest precedes civilizations and desert follow them. It sounds like a philosophical. This is a philosophical. This is a. ये क्या है? This is a philosophical topic. Let's leave this. The empire of futures will be the empires of mind. Okay, great. There is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path. The doubter is a true man of science. Now, these are the four topics. Almost everything is philosophical. So, dividing the topic methodology will not work here. You have to look from the aspect which kind of philosophy allows you to imagine lot of context, something which is very real, something which is very known to you, something which is around you, जिसके बारे में आप लिख सकते हो, which you can introduce, which you can then fill in the context body and then conclude saying yes, this. तो लाइक दैट सिमिलरली सेकेंड पार्ट में देखो, यहाँ पे सेकेंड पार्ट में है कीवर्ड्स. सोशल मीडिया इज ट्रिगरिंग फियर ऑफ मिसिंग आउट अमॉन्ग्स द यूथ, प्रेसिपिटेटिंग डिप्रेशन एंड लोनलीनेस. इट्स अ स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड टॉपिक. एफओमो के ऊपर है. द कीवर्ड इज फोमो, देन यूथ, precipitating depression, and context is social media. Depression and loneliness, and context is social media. Now you can write this essay not just from the perspective of India, but entire globe, entire youth segment of the world. You can write the examples of across the globe. You can pull your attention to this by various incidents of social media where the virality or panic has happened the way the social media approaches today happen, which maybe sometimes you would yourself would have become victim. In fact, इंट्रोडक्शन ही ऐसा कर दो कि फोमो के बारे में बात हो रही है तो somebody will feel wow, you're right to the topic. But then it is today's activity is to divide the topic, and from section A and section B, which essay you are going to write, you have to tick mark and submit this handout to me. Okay, this is activity number one. और एक्टिविटी नंबर टू, वन तो एक दूसरा था. एक्टिविटी नंबर वन जो अभी होगा वो है, यू हैव टू राइट एनी ऑफ द टॉपिक. दो टॉपिक लिख के मुझे ऐसे देना है. 19th onwards the session will start. Today is a demo session. I'm giving you activities because this essay is like a swimming. If I teach swimming, it is not going to work. You have to go to the swimming pool and then it will happen. It is not just talking or me putting something. Or rather, you cannot copy and paste my mind in essay saying, अरे sir, same to swim लेगा फिर भी mark नहीं आया. If two people write the same essay, still they are not going to get the same marks. That is the beauty of UPSC. So we will not think mechanical, we will think in a very practical way. So today's activity is number one, आप ये पूरा essay का topic divide करोगे, and each year you have choose the topic. So if you see, I have collected topic from paper 2024, 2023, 2022, 2021, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, उससे पहले पैटर्न ही अलग था, वो पैटर्न चेंज हो गया। सेक्शन ए सेक्शन बी, आई थिंक इट केम फ्रॉम 2014 onwards, but I have still written 2013 and 14 भी लिखा है. You don't have to write them, but you have to go through the topic and divide the topic and understand which topic will you write from. Decision making is what I am testing. What topic? No topic will give you good marks. Every topic will give you the same marks. But it is, I mean, not same marks, but what you write will depend on that. For UPSC, all the topics are same. But for a aspirant, the decision of taking the topic comes from the background he or she is. So उसके हिसाब से आप topic choose करोगे. So you have to do till 2005. Write your name इन द, मैंने, या तो आप अपने टैब में कर सकते हो, या आप प्रिंट आउट लेके कर सकते हो, हाउ एवर यू डू इट. आई वुड सजेस्ट प्रिंट आउट लेके कर लो, एंड देन राइट योर नेम एंड सबमिट इट ओवर व्हाट्सएप बिफोर 19th June. First session for essay will start from that day. Second comes full essay, जो आपको लिखना है, 2 essay लिखना है, 2 essay. You have to submit before 30th June. The moment you write your essay, I will give you within 24 hours a video of your evaluated essay and all the thing whatever there. उसके बाद अगर आपको 1-to-1 करना है, देन यू हैव टू शेड्यूल इट. बट इफ यू थिंक वीडियो में जो बोला है वो अग्री करते हो, ठीक है, या और भी जानना है, देन वील शेड्यूल. बट ईच वन ऑफ यू विल गेट योर वीडियो ऑफ एसे, सो दैट आप जब अपना ट्रैक करो प्रोग्रेस, यू नो व्हाट वर यू डूइंग, हाउ यू आर डूइंग. Few things that we check here. First is handwriting. If you write something and I don't understand, the same is going to happen with the UPSC examiner. Okay. Then, the moment you choose your topic, what exactly are the thoughts? See, you might have chosen a great topic, but the thoughts on which you develop them may not be fantastic. We will learn all the skill set. The whole purpose of these sessions are to help you bring out those kind of ideas using techniques. Then flow. What is flow? Flow is, if I read this passage 1, then I feel the urge to read passage 2. If I read passage 2, I feel the urge to read passage 3. And then I realize, okay, I've read the entire essay. So if there is break in the flow, you understand it that, nobody would like to read that thing. Suddenly writing something this and then suddenly changing the perspective, or how you're writing. This depends. Yeah, अपना style hai. So we'll come to know like that. So with this, these are the two homework. पहला है ये handout को आप go through the handout. You have any doubt, ask me again in WhatsApp. But do not doubt के वजह से action मत लेना. You have to divide the topics and you have to give me इन दोनों सेक्शन में कौन सा टॉपिक पे आप ऐसे लिखते, अगर आप ऐसे लिखते. लिखना आपको नहीं है, आपको सिर्फ चूज करना है इस टॉपिक पे मैं ऐसे लिखता या लिखती. ऐसा आपको पूरा 2005 तक करना है, नीचे आप जाओगे तो. फिर उसके बाद ये 19 तारीख से पहले करना है. फिर उसके बाद आपको सबमिट करना है आपका एसे फॉर इवेल्युएशन. ओके. आई हैव नॉट गिवन यू क्यूसीए दिस टाइम, बट फ्रॉम 19th onwards the people who enroll will get the QCA. तो QCA में ही राइट करके देना है. तो इफ यू हैव द यूपीएससी question come answer booklet or answer booklet book, you can use that as to write your essay. Is it clear? Is the homework clear? Is the homework clear? Can somebody put a chat? Yes or no? आप चैट में लिख सकते हैं so that I can move ahead. For the aspirants who are writing this year's main, please do not ignore. Just do it. you will find definitely benefit. I can guarantee it. People for the last 14 years, they have benefited it. And, I must say that I don't want to boast it, but people who became IRS because of essay, they became IAS. Because of that 20-30 marks, the ranking improved, or they could find themselves eligible for interview call. So many things have happened for people. They will not claim because usually ऐसा ही होता है. But I must tell you, when you are an aspirant, be very very honest. Time हमारे पास सबके पास same है. You have to value your time, value the effort you are putting, और अपने ही लिए आपको अच्छा लिखना है. There is always feel there is no next time. If you feel there is a next time, your attitude is not fitting the thing. There is never a next second chance. This is the only chance. So why not give your best shot? जो भी आपके circumstances हैं, however difficult, let me tell you that is the best shot. That's it. अगर ऐसा होता तो ऐसा होता, इफ आई एम मैरिड तो मैं शादी नहीं किया होता तो मैं बहुत कुछ कर लिया होता, मेरे बच्चे ने तो मैं बहुत कुछ कर लिया होता, मैं वर्क नहीं कर रही होती है कर रहा होता तो मैं बहुत कुछ कर लिया होता. नहीं होता ऐसा. ऐसा नहीं होता. पैरेटो प्रिंसिपल है 80-22, 80-20 वाला पैरेटो, इट ऑलवेज वर्क्स. चाहे कुछ भी करो, यू विल ओनली एफर्ट विल बी ऑलवेज लाइक दैट. सो हेंस व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से, वी हैव अ वेरी लिमिटेड टाइम. और पीपल हु आर ऑल्सो अटेंडिंग दिस सेशन अज्यूमिंग कि मैं 2026 के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ, प्लीज लेट्स गो बाय द द टाइमलाइन दैट वी आर गोइंग टू राइट द मेंस 2025. Because if you think of so much ahead, then you will not find the urge. Why should I excel? So my intention over here is to uh, train you for 2025. इसी एग्जाम में ही आपका रिजल्ट आएगा जब आप मेंस दोगे कि योर एसए स्कोर विल improve. Okay, so now this is the. So I mentioned about. So this is all about the essay program. This is the session, today's session. And I mentioned about the mentorship here, how it is going to happen. You will all be. There's a lot of. I don't want to overload with content. Content आपको वेरियस जैसे कोट्स हैं, वेरियस वुमेन सेंट्रिक, एजुकेशन सेंट्रिक, स्टैटिस्टिक्स, डेटा, ये सब मेंस के लिए भी कलेक्ट करना ही है. तो आई विल बी गिविंग फ्यू ऑफ द कोट्स, फ्यू ऑफ द स्टार्टिंग एलिमेंट्स. बट if I cook it and give it to you, you will not appreciate it. You have to search a little bit. You have to add on your own. Imagine if I give it and it goes in Telegram and every person who is giving has the same set of codes and same set of things. So how unique are you going to be? Your uniqueness will be challenged. सब एक ही शॉर्टकट लेंगे ना. So that's why, as a mentor, our moral responsibility भी है कि हम ऐसा ना कर दें, we're not going to handicap you. I want you to run your brain. I want you to think through. I want you to be original. Your originality itself is the asset to the nation. So that's the reason why when you are giving this example, you will realize honest stories, original people definitely, you know, अर्न लर्न लॉट ऑफ रेस्पेक्ट. मैंने बोलते हैं हो जाता है कि नहीं होता है, कहीं ना कहीं एरिया होता है, मे बी इन स्टेट सर्विस में हो जाता है, कहीं ना कहीं तो होता ही है. योर ओरिजिनलिटी विल ऑलवेज बी योर एसेट. एनीवे, नो मोर ज्ञान ऑन दिस. आई गेव यू व्हाट इज द गोइंग टू बी पैटर्न. एंड देयर इज अ कोर्स brochure which is there in the website as well. And I have scheduled the classes for that 6 week classes. So I'll just take you through. पक्का तो नहीं करूंगा कि this is the only fixed, because I also have to see as per your this thing. So first session is on 19th June, module 1, understanding the essay paper. Second is on 26th June, foundation of a great essay. These are all writing oriented sessions. तो आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. And whatever you're learning, you have to submit in your essay as an improvement and share. Third will be essay types and theme mapping. Now, if you pay me the money and if you don't feel any, if the session is working for you, the 100% money back guarantee is still third session. You don't want, you say that I don't want to continue. I'll return. I mean, money will be returned. Then 10th July will be the framework and structuring. 17th July essay writing process end to end. And it is basically, uh, one of the sessions will be a hands-on workshop. I'm going to be live with you. You are going to write as I tell you, right? Like I'll say, right now, introduction. Okay, now switch to this part of the idea, right? This like this. Five. I will be dictating time and breakup of the time, and you have to write through that. Then on the week 6, there is bit of enrichment toolkit, which is obviously a value add for whatever you have done. So the test submissions are flexible. It is through WhatsApp, through email. आपको स्कैन करके भेजना है एंड आई टोल्ड यू द मोमेंट यू सेंड इट आई विद इन 24 hours you'll get a video evaluation of the paper and video. And if you want to schedule one-on-one, you can do schedule one-on-one. The link will be provided to schedule one-on-one. The first test you have to submit by 30 June, which I told you already. You take the test or you don't take the program or not. But if you want to start off with the program, 19th June is the first learning session. 30 June is the last date for submitting your first test. Second test 6 July तक. Third test ये हैंड्स ऑन वर्कशॉप का टेस्ट होगा 11 जुलाई तक. विल शेड्यूल आउट अ डेट. फोर्थ by 28th July, and full test 28th July तक the session will be over. So 24th July your learning session will be over, and by the end of July 28th your 30th 31st तक आपका you will get your one and everything done. So you have another 22 days in August for your mains. So this is the essay plan. And I told you that otherwise the price is 6,000, but people who अभी जून में ले लेंगे for 2,000 only for them. And ये money back is also there if you don't feel like कि नहीं 3 सेशन तक अगर मुझे नहीं लगा फायदा प्लीज टेक ऑफ. आई मीन मेरे को कोई ये नहीं है. तो the value should be like you should learn, that's it. तो और कुछ नहीं है otherwise. With this, if you have any doubt, you can ask me any question right now through chat. I'll answer. Or otherwise, thank you for your time and wishing you all the best for the मेंस एग्जामिनेशन. अगर आपको मौका मिला है मेंस लिखने का, डेफिनेटली मुझे लगता है कि यू शुड नॉट लीव दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी because your personality is what this essay shows, and exactly that is what is the career all about. How you are going to handle the entire bureaucracy career of a bureaucrat is depending on your own personality. You are young today, you are very much enthusiastic, you are open to learning, you are you know uh, ready to have a lot of exposures. You can deal with uncertainties in a more confident manner, challenges. So that are the abilities which will define your career, and वो दिखेगा आपके पेपर और आपके वर्क से. सो ऐसे इससे इससे को पहला ही उसको कंसिडर करिए एज वन ऑफ योर मिरर ऑफ योर पर्सनालिटी. So with this, my best wishes, all the best for all the aspirants who are giving mains 2025. Thank you.